Question 27. Expand -4 and then in brackets 3x minus 6. Now remember, everything in the bracket has to be multiplied by the number in front of the bracket. There's an invisible time sign between the -4 and the bracket. So both of these things, the 3x and the -6, have got to be times by -4. Some people like to do that just straight off the bat. Some people like to draw a little multiplication grid, like a times table grid, a bit like this, where you have a grid with the -4 in front of the grid and the 3x minus 6 and on top of the grid. It's up to you whether or not you do the grid or not. So we'll do it both ways just to see how you might be able to do it. So if you're going to do it without the grid, you're going to do 3x happening 4 times would be 12x. But because it's -4 times, it's -12x. And then you need to times the -6 by the -4. Well, 4 times by 6 is 24, but you're doing a negative multiplied by another negative. And when you do a negative times another negative, you get a positive answer. So it's not -24, it's +24. So if you do it that way, you get -12x plus 24. If you use the multiplication grid, so whatever's in front of the bracket goes in front of the grid, whatever's inside the bracket goes on top of the grid, you would still get the same answer. So this box here would be -4 times 3x. Well, 4 times 3 is 12. So -4 times 3 is -12. And because there's an x on this one here, it's -12x. That's exactly what we got down here. And then this box would be -4 times -6. Well, 4 times 6 is 24. And as we said earlier, down here, 2 negatives, when they multiply together, gives you a positive answer. So -4 times -6 is +24.